Here we are going to learn how to calculate sum of the selected cell. There are different ways to calculate sum. Here I am going to show you one of them. Select the cell where you want to get the sum value. Press Alt is equal to key. It means press Alt key and hold, then press is equal to key. Then sum function appeared in the selected cell. Here sum function totaling the range from B2 to F2. You can see the sum function in the formula bar also. Press enter key to get the value. Again press Alt is equal to, then sum function appeared. This time it calculates the range from B3 to F3. This is the cell B3. This is the cell F3. This is the selected range. You can observe the same sum function in the formula bar also. Press enter to get the result. Press Alt is equal to, sum function appeared. This time it is calculating the range from B4 to F4. Press enter to get the result. Do the same procedure again. This time it is calculating the total between the cells B5 to F5. Press Alt is equal to, sum function appeared. This time it is calculating the sum from cell B6 to F6. Press enter to get the result. This is the last row in our calculation. This sum function will calculate the cell range from B8 to F8. This is how you can calculate the sum of the given range of cell. This is my Excel document. Here I am going to calculate the sum for the few of the cells in the given row. Here I am typing the column name as group total. The column width appeared as smaller. Increase the width of the column. Select the cell to get the result. Here I am going to calculate the sum of the cells range B2 to D2. Typing the same in the formula bar. B2, this is B2 cell. D2, this is D2 cell. Here I would like to calculate the range from B2 to D2. So I am typing colon in between B2 and D2. Observe the result on spreadsheet that the range has been selected from B2 to D2. Provide opening bracket and closing bracket for the range of cells. Then type before that is equal sum. Then it means is equal to sum of B2 to D2. It gives the result sum of the values in between B2 to D2. Press enter to get the result. Select the cell and type the formula in the formula bar is equal to sum of B3 to D3. Press enter to get the result. Identify the cell range and type the function in the formula bar. Do the same for all the rows. Please note that only the change is the range of cell. Here I am going to add one more column, that is other total. Press enter. Here you can increase the column width. This is the cell E2 and this is the cell F2. Here I have only two cells to add, so I am using plus operator to get the sum of the two cells. Here the formula is equals to E2 plus F2. Press enter to get the result. You can add any two cells on the spreadsheet using this simple method is equal to first cell plus second cell. That's it. Similarly, here I am going to calculate the sum of two cells E3 plus EF3. Don't forget to type is equal to in the beginning. Press enter to get the sum value in the cell. Do the same procedure. This time calculate the total for cell E4 and F4. Similarly, E5 plus EF5. This is the last row for addition. Here the cells are E8 and F8. Here I am adding one more column, that is difference in total. adjust the column width. In this column I would like to get the difference in total between group total column and others total. As you know, instead of plus you need to use minus. This is H2 cell and this is I2 cell. Put minus in between H2 and I2 to get the difference. Don't forget to type is equal to in beginning. Press enter to get the difference of selected cell. In the same way, you can get the difference of H3 and I3 cell. Press enter to get the result. Do the same procedure to get the value for other cells. This is the last row. Here the cells are H8 and I8. So the formula is equal to H8 minus I8. Press enter to get the result.